Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your Apple Watch and iPhone share the same Apple ID and that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. This allows the devices to talk. Once done, wake your watch and swipe up to open Control Center. Look for the iPhone icon. Tapping it sends a quick ping to the phone so you can find it immediately. You do this now because a ping works even when the iPhone is on silent, giving an instant audible and visual clue. You tap the small iPhone icon once to trigger a short ping. That sound helps locate the phone under cushions or in another room. If you still can't hear it, press and hold the icon to make a louder sound and flash the phone's LED. This combines audio and visual cues so you can track movement. Make sure you try the press and hold if the first ping fades, because the extended alert is designed to cut through background noise and silent settings. Once pings fail because the phone is far away, open the Find Devices app on your watch to view the iPhone's last known location on a map. This helps you decide your next move. You can also trigger play sound from the Find My app on any Apple device to ring the phone over the internet. If nothing happens, check Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and cellular. Sign out and back into Apple ID or restart both devices. That single restart fixes most connectivity hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.